Explain about accounts receivables in accounting. It is money receivable from sundry debtors for sales made or services rendered. What is total flow of account receivables? Flow of accounts receivable should be in proportion to accounts payable, that is, in terms of ratio 2:1. How much time needs to pass for an account receivable account to be considered as delinquent? After 90 days of due date, the account will be considered as delinquent. What is effective collection? It depends on the credit period of the company. That is, a company credit period of 30 days and 85 of the debitors' collection should be recovered within credit period. Then we can say the effective collection. What is evaluated receipt settlement? ERS or evaluated receipt settlement is a business process between trading partners that conduct commerce without invoices. In an ERS transaction, the supplier ships goods based upon an advance shipping notice (ASN), and the purchaser, upon receipt, confirms the existence of a corresponding purchase order, or contact verifies the identity and quantity of the goods and then pays the supplier. After receiving payment from customer, what is next step till finalization? The next step would be adjusting receipt from customer against the customer outstanding with sale and to clear the customer account. How important does account receivable for small business and why? Accounts receivable help small businesses by providing short-term liquidity. Also, continued sales on credit provide the much needed continuity for the small businesses. How debtors play its role in accounts receivable? Debtors are the main role of the business. He is the entire backbone of the business. The goodwill of the concern is in the hands of debtors because he is the person who takes our product or raw material to the customer or manufacturer. So, he plays the main role in the business in finance and business development. Who is responsible for maintaining the accounts receivable in an organization? Accountants. In big organization, there will be a department to maintain accounts receivable department. Explain why is the capital amount put in liabilities and not in assets. One of the basic convention in accounting is separate legal entity. It means the business is different from those who manage it. When I contribute capital into my business, it is liability to my business to repay it to me. Explain what are derivatives. Derivative instrument is an asset which derives, that is, takes its origin from another asset. The simplest form of derivative is a forward contract. It is an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a certain future time for a certain price. Other forms of derivatives include futures, options, and swipes, etc. What are the examples of deferred revenue expenditure? It is an expenditure the benefit of which will be realized over a period and not during the current period. Heavy advertisement expenditure incurred by the company for promoting the product. The benefits of this huge expenditure will be realized over the period and not in the same period when it is incurred. What is an accounts receivables? Money owed by a business enterprise for merchandise bought on open account. It is called as account receivable or just receivables. Accounts receivable are the amounts owed to a company by its customer and or employees. Explain what are the issues related with accounts receivable. As the accounts receivable supervisor, you will perform such kind of duties like oversees and resolve all issues related to cash application to ensure accuracy. Reconcile daily cash receipts to payment register. Design and implement new accounts receivable processes and procedures. Process short payment and accounts receivable adjustment forms. Develop and maintain reports to assess team productivity. Invoice special customer accounts. Supervise 5 accounts receivable associates and other duties as may be assigned. Explain what is customer master record. A customer master record is a permanent record that contains key information about a business partner or a material. This information must be entered into the system before any transactions can take place involving the business partner, customer, or a material. Entering all the information about a customer or a material into the system before making transactions ensures that subsequent transactions or inquiries will have consistent data and reports, and also analysis can be done in an orderly way. Master records can be edited or changed when necessary. Changing master records is frequently called maintaining in SAP. Explain what is the difference between debenture holders and creditors. Debenture holder are those who provides long-term loan at specific interest rate in terms of cash, and creditor provides only short-term credit in terms of cash for purchasing of goods. Explain what is BRS. BRS stands for Bank Reconciliation Statement. A bank reconciliation statement is a statement prepared by organizations to reconcile the balance of cash at bank in the company's own records with the bank statement on a particular date. The difference may arise because of the following reasons: checks deposited into bank but not yet collected by bank, checks issued by the organization but not yet presented for payment, checks directly deposited by customers into the bank, bank charges debited by bank, interest credited, or some receipts directly collected by bank based upon organization request. Some payments directly made by bank based upon organization's request. So the statement shows the reasons as what are the reasons for difference in balance.